Welcome everyone to your best YouTube channel, Mr. Wilson, into the family kitchen, and today we are making orecchiette sausage. I think it's gonna be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, I just think I'm not quite sure. Yeah. Orecchiette means little ears. This is a piece of orecchiette. It's actually a noodle. Scoop half cup of the cooking water from the pot and set aside. Reserve the remaining water in the pot. Okay. A vegetable peeler. Take the broccoli and peel away skin. Okay. Now I am, peeling the broccoli. It's a baby broccoli. Look what I found on a piece of broccoli. Those are flowers. Those are flowers. Those are flowers, Dad.
What kind of flowers?
Broccoli flowers.
Hmm.
I found them on pieces of broccoli. But I thought broccoli never sprouted flowers. But now the world knows that broccoli flowers. Hello everyone. I've finally finished peeling all the broccolis, which are all in here. Okay. Let me see. Oh, right. I'm supposed to chop them up. I am now cutting the, broccoli into 1-inch pieces. That's about this far. And also watch those fingers. So this is the most delicious thing in history. Sweet Italian sausage. 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 And make sure to decase it. That means get rid of skin. So now we are going to put the broccoli into this boiling pot, which isn't really boiling. Then we're going to get one of these frying pans over here. And then we're gonna put some red pepper flakes and some oil and the sausage and the garlic. And after the broccoli is done, we will put the orecchiette in once we pull the broccoli out, and then the orecchiette will boil in the pot for about, let's say, 15 minutes. This is kind of the dangerous part. Now we're going to put the broccoli into that boiling water. Ready, Dad?
I'm ready.
Ready to put the broccoli in?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna step back.
Okay.
Broccoli away! Whoa! Broccoli away! Now I'm going to stir. Hello everyone, my dad just put in the oil, olive oil. Now you put in the garlic. And now you put in some red chili pepper flakes. Now it's starting to frizzle. Fun fact, when garlic is cooked, it smells great. And my dad is now mashing, trust me, he's mashing up the ingredients we used last time, and now sausage. Ew, look at the last cooking water, it's green, ew, that's gross. Wait, you want to see no pink in that meat. Dad, you're doing great. Well, now I'm going to dump the broccoli into the sausage. It's just bumped me a little bit. Hello everyone, I am stirring the broccoli with the delicious sausage. Anyways, everyone, let me smell. If you guys ever try and make this, well, make it. Make sure to smell when it looks like this. Trust me, it smells so great. Hello everyone! As you can see, it's frizzling very loud. Well, cute. And that after the noodles are cooked and ready, it's best to put them in with the other ingredients. So really, Dad, should I put the breadcrumbs in?
No.
Why?
We save that to the end for garnish.
This is half the ingredients to be cooked. Because the breadcrumbs are right here. Hang on. That I'm now mixing in the noodles with the sausage and delicious broccoli.
And sprinkle this stuff on there and grate some cheese.
Oh, everyone, it's delicious. Look at my plate. I am almost finished. And if you ever try, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone. Today I am cooking orecchiette with sausage. 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 And the garlic. Sausage. 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 The sausage. Sausage.